Hello everyone, so this is Sabir. So welcome to my channel Sabir Code Over to Code Spreading Knowledge. So today we are covering that data analyst assessment. Okay, so that's instruction, all question entry, total time for this test 1 hour 13. Use formula, good formatting and error minimization would earn extra mark. Manual entries would carry no marks. Without macro will carry no marks. Okay, so that's mark distribution. Excel practical 40, macro 15, email writing 10, power query 15, and total 80 marks. Okay, so moving to test 1. Okay. So it's taking time. Okay, fine. So I'm up here first and first value.
Okay,
it's the 31. So I'm clearing everything have come here. Okay, so that's value error. Okay, fine. Okay. So this is the data. So quickly I will remove formatting as well because already I have done it.
you see now the man at what?
To this cool. So here is instructions. 1. Define condition for formula for table 1 to highlight the cell with points less than 24 in red. Whatever the 20 less than 24, we have to highlight in red. So how we can do it? So I'm pressing Alt O-T, new rule. Second, that's only format cell than contain cell value less than how much? 24. Then highlight in red. So I have to check field color and I will select the red. Okay, and apply. Okay, so whichever the less than 24, highlight it in red. Okay, so perfectly done. And I want to merge this cell, merge and center, and having use I will use here drop down list. So Alt DN, and I will select here list, and source range I will select this one, and okay. So perfect. So I select the jar, and here I have to do some formatting in date. I want to do custom, and I will use TT slash /y4. Okay, and I will check pixel center, and I will use some color here. Take the note. Yeah. So perfect done, and we take phone. Whatever I can change, that's highlighted weekend. So second question is conditional format the cell in the table 2 in gray for all employee if the day is Saturday or Sunday. So for Saturday, Sunday, that's highlighting in color. So how we did it? So let's see if I'm selecting the Friday. Oh, formatting is done wrongly. For this cell, I will control 1. For DT, I will use MMI. Okay.
But about the in radiation. Let me, the other.
Okay, everything is done. So how we did it? So let's see.
Why die that's been another.
So this portion I have selected and both D, and here I can go. That's D22. That's D column and rows 22. I have fixed the rows. If sun is there, then highlight in this color. Okay. And second one, that's same D22. I have locked rows and equal to sign Saturday, then highlight in color. Okay, and apply. So this formatting perfectly working here. Okay, so first test is completely done, and second test. So I will delete this one. And question we have to understand first: create a drop-down list in the employee column from the list provided in the column I. Enter random dates in the. Okay, so basically that's drop-down list we have created already. So I will how I'm doing that's already we covered in the test 1. So in this also list also I will do. I can select entire list, RTL list, and source range is this one, and okay, that's drop down list perfectly done for each cell. And here is question random enter random dates in the calibration date column, however add a validation so that dates greater than this cannot be entered, means 1/1/2019 above dates we can't enter here. So I have selected this date and this date, so I will use the rand array equal to 1 to rand array. And rows 13 rows, 1 column, minimum this one, and maximum this one. Integer I want to take, not decimal, so I will take integer and bracket close, enter. So perfect, I guess.
I personally, I need to sing it up.
Something went wrong for integers. Can you do right?
I thought it about somebody saw the other you last give me the it ain't caught. Oh no.
Okay. So for all is good.
We keep
2019 is higher. About 2019 date will not enter. So correct. So all the dates below the 2019. Okay. So perfectly done this test. Moving to next test. Text 3. So here is some formulas. I will remove first formula. Okay, and we have to understand the question first. Okay, so we have to fill the data in the green zone. So number of call monitor. How much call monitor for this employee, listed employee? So count if I can use count if range This is the range. I will log this range F4, comma, criteria, this one. I'm not going to log the criteria because I have to be drop down this criteria. So for Clintoff 6 and Catherine 4 call monitored and Neil 2 call monitor. Okay, Clintoff 6 monitor. Perfect. So total score. I have to be take the total score. So I can use sum if, range and criteria. Okay, this is the range. And I will do the F4, comma, criteria. This is our criteria, comma, sum range. This is our sum range. Sum range also we have to fix it. And bracket close and enter. Perfect. And copy down. This is the correct. Employee count, there is a multiple copied or duplicate names also there. So we have to correct count for employee. How can I do that? So there is a one formula for unique. I can use that formula, unique. So I will select this range for the unique character. So and enter. So I have got the unique name here. How much unique name? That's 18. So I can use the formula here, current day, and I will select this entire list, bracket close, enter, 18 employee. Okay, so successfully done and completed this test as well. Moving to next test. Before we going to move, I have control save this sheet.
Not me, let's do these other thing list, but
It's taking a little time. Multiple sheet is there, so taking much time to save this sheet.
no, how is it? Not anything editor and send it to zone at the billion. What does that want to only that give you
Okay, so turn moving to next test, text 4. Cover auto delete this, not entire, that's this one. Total already sum is there, formula. Here we have to pull the price. Okay, so I can use VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP.
so it depending even the point I
Okay, lookup value, this is our lookup value, comma, lookup array, this is our lookup array. I will fix this lookup array, F4, comma, return array, this is the price. I will use this one for return array, comma, if not found, okay, data not found, lot, and in the double quotation I have mentioned data not found, then comma, I want the exact match, so taking 0, and search first to last. So yes, I want to search first to last. Enter and copy down. Okay, all price is showing here. Quantities, I can use VLOOKUP. This group name and this table, and I will fix this for F4, comma, answer in the third column, comma, exact match. For exact match, I can use 0, raw. For exact match, false there. Enter. Perfect. copy down, enter, and send this one into this one, price into quantity in kg. So enter, that's sales is reflected. Sale should be done. So this test also completed. Control S and moving to next test. Okay. So this is much important task. This is a dynamic formula. So we have to use this dynamic formula and we have to complete this test. Okay. So what is and how we can do it? This is much important. So I'm going to delete this one and entering the formula. So I'm going to use the index match. Okay, both combination dynamic formula I'm going to use for index. Entire table I have select and then by 4 log ticks and match. Okay, I'm going to match with month first. Okay, so I'm going to select this one. In this month, I will lock the rows here. So I can put here dollar symbol. Then after lookup value got it, comma lookup array. Lookup array, I have to select the month name, entire column and entire range, and fixing this and comma exact match. Yes, exact match. For exact match 0 and then bracket close, comma again match function I'm using. This time I have to select the employee name. Okay, so that's I-22. So I will take I-22. Okay, so in this cell I want to lock the column here. Okay, then after comma lookup array. So lookup array is employee name, right? Yes, employee name. Going to fix this, then comma, yes, I want exact match, then bracket, double bracket close, enter. So effect and control R and control T. Okay, perfectly work this dynamic formula. We can cross check. For current 46 December month value and March 93 and June 90. Perfect. Movie 88 right, and 63 for March, right, and 48 for June. Perfectly work this formula. Okay, I'm saving this test by Control S and moving to next test 6. Okay, I'm clearing this one, Control EA. So all value will be clear from this cell. Okay, now I'm going to select. Here is a mention, create a pivot from the below data. So summarize the team voice cell by each employee. Also allow filter by date. I'm going to insert the pivot table. There is asking I want to use existing worksheet and going to here and press it. Now table is there. So filter by date, okay, and cells here and team also, and this is I want to change some format like this. So currency format I can use. Currency, which currency I will use? Okay, so I will use the English United Kingdom. Okay, so same currency icon or symbol, currency symbol perfectly showing here. Okay, so done this test, and we have filter as well. Whichever the date we can check, and whatever the employees there, 3 employees there, we can select by employees as well. So done this test as well. Moving to test 7. Here is a pivot a chart there, pie chart used, and a column chart also showing here. So very simple. I have created one table for create a pie chart to show employees stats for Feb. This is the Feb month stats, okay? Sum of Feb, okay? So create a column chart to show employee wise quarter data. This is the column wise data. I have selected a table. I have created table for Feb. We can see here, okay? So on the basis on that, I have created the pie chart. Where is the pie chart? And insert, we can see here pie chart. I have taken the 3D pie chart here. Then after, there is a formatting as well. So in the color chart formats we can use here. Anything you can select. Same way for column chart, okay? This is the column chart, and you can use here from 3D and everything. So horizontal bar I have taken, and label also in the top one. So that's easy. You also can refer the same things, okay? So moving to next test, that's micro. So how we can do it, the micro? There is we have to understand question first. Create micro where the data provided below will be sorted in the ascending order and paste on the cell in gray. This should be happen on the click button, okay? We have to create one micro, and we have to copy this and paste here, and we have to sort it as a ascending. How we can do it? So let's try this one. I'm pressing Alt +11.
I know you're scared.
Okay. Already done this task, so I have explained it. First, I have write this worksheet. I have taken the variable ws for range rng application.screening updating false, and set ws this workbook dot worksheet micro name, sheet name, and set a range as well. Okay, copy range and paste the value, and here is a sorted by ascending. Okay, range G7 to G19, sort G7 to, and range it G7. Okay, So perfect done this, and we have given the one message box, application message box application dot username, and this information. Okay, so perfectly done. So you also guys can refer this code, and I have assigned by this button, so I just clicking on this button, so we done this macro. Perfect. Okay, email writing, that's write an email based on the below scenario. You have a report due today. However, the report is not ready due to some incorrect inputs provided from one of the reporting location. Write an email to the client explaining the reason for the delay and requesting to extend the deadline. Okay, so I have write the email. Hi XYZ, I just want to keep inform you today's report due because of ABCD location data incorrect. So team analyzing data once all report inputs correct analysis, then will share as soon as possible. Please cooperate on this task. Thanks, EFTH. Second is, you have published an incorrect report. Later you realize that there was some error in the data that you received. Write a mail informing the client about the same. Hi XYZ, I just want to keep inform you I have published today's report that incorrect data which I have received, so need more analysis on this data. Once I get correct data file, then I will work on it and publish again correct data report. Please cooperate on this task. Okay, so email writing also done. That's Power Query data. Some external text file also given. So we have to insert that text file. First we have to understand that's Power Query, how we can use. So in the data, that's get data and file from text or CSV file format we can export here. Once we click, that file destination will go and we have to select the file and insert the data. So in the new sheet, that sheet will data will reflect there. Okay. So in the short rate, I have explained for the data analysis assessment. You also can refer this and follow the same given instruction and complete this task. Okay. So hope you guys understand how I have did it, and you also can refer the same and follow the same coding or same formulas and try to increase your knowledge, enhance your knowledge to increase the formula and habit it on daily basis to learning a new formula. Okay. So do the practice well from your side as well, and you will get a better experience in the VBA and advances. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Soon we will meet in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.